Good morning, this is Sunday morning, and welcome to Komodo. So, a lot of people have been wondering, you're low level, how do you kill things, especially in Ultra Base? So, I got one set up. I did it a couple times, and passed it, and now I'm going to show you. Alright, so got a Bounty Hunter, and none of my units are maxed. So Bounty Hunter, Darkstorm, Jericho, Claymore, and Proteus. Now I'll go into my base for a minute, and I'll show you the levels, so you don't think, oh, he's got maxed units. Alright, so, Bounty Hunter, okay, 18, he's elite, so not a big thing. Proteus, level 8, I know a lot of you got a lot higher than that. Let's go back here to the Claymore. Claymore, level 2 Claymore. This is actually big in doing this, so, let's scroll down. Proteus, level 11. So I don't have much max stuff. Some of you got the Omega stuff, and some of you got level 15 and 18 better. But yeah, I don't. So here we go. And Fighter Company. Now my Fighter Company is pretty decent. That's what I've been working on lately. So as you can tell, nothing's maxed. So here we go. Go in here. Now, you don't need to kill the whole base. I've watched people killing the whole base. This building right up here is what you're going to kill, and then you're going to get some things that spawn over here and some things that spawn over here. There's going to be two sets of tanks that come through, two groups, that you're going to want to kill, because you're going to have to defend everything else. So, let's go ahead and start the attack. See, kill the building, which is right there. These kind of tanks are going to come out. These tanks here will come over in this corner, and they move slow. At the same time, this little vehicle right here, you're going to get a couple of those that come in. And then these big ass tanks, where are these tanks right here? You're going to get a bunch of them here that are going to spawn, and you're going to have those little dog things. Those dog things are a nightmare. They will kill your bounty hunter decoys on a heartbeat, so you got to be careful with those. Alright, so we'll attack. And I will enlarge. And I'm going to deploy everything. Okay, so I'll put him up a little bit. Bring him up a bit. Start my decoys. Now, you don't need 10,000 decoys. A few will be fine. It's just where you put them. Proteus. When you're using a Proteus, make sure you have the tech that slows enemy units down. You will need that. That's definitely a priority. Okay, so get these set up a little bit. There we go. And just kind of spread out your decoys. Take a few minutes. While you're doing that, I just find this little grouping here annoying. So I'm just going to get rid of it. It doesn't affect you. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to kill you. Like I said, to me, it's just annoying as hell. And if it's annoying, it goes bye-bye. And then, actually, you know what? I'm not even going to worry about it. Not even going to worry about it, because I'm not going to go any further. So don't worry about it. I'm not going to do it. Alright, so deploy a few of these around. You'll need to drop 2, maybe 4 in an area. Because things are going to splash damage and kill it, so you don't have to overload yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll probably drop about 7 locations, give or take. See these little guys coming up and defending right here? So we'll go ahead and move him up a little bit. And make sure you have everything on defense, because if you don't, you're going to get stuff eaten alive. Now check out the Claymore. Look at him. Level 2, and he's doing all that. So yeah, you definitely want him. Okay, I'm almost ready. Now, once you drop the decoys, you shouldn't have to move much. I'm just going to move him up a little bit out of the way. And drop a couple more decoys. Okay, and then I'm going to set some over here so that when the stuff spawns. Now, bring him down just a little bit because you really want his firepower. Bring your Proteus up a little bit. Proteus is going to do a lot of damage, believe it or not. It really is. Alright. So as soon as these die, I'm going to use my fighter company. I'm going to target this. It's just going to do a little strip right here. Okay, not much. So wait till they die. Okay, now. One little strip. That's it. You'll take about 2-3 minutes of damage. Now see, look at it. All popped in right there. So, yeah. And have your decoy, your bounty hunter selected again. So you can start targeting back up in here. And pretty much just kind of sit back and wait a little bit. Now, I like keeping the Proteus selected so when these guys spawn a second time, your Proteus can go ahead and start targeting it immediately. You're going to have to manually target it. There you go. And here comes your second group of those tanks. So, once you kill this second group, this will be over with. Like I said, you didn't need to kill the whole base. I'm really loving this Claymore. For PvE, this Claymore is a beast. And congratulations, you're done. And that's an easy 500,000. And let's see, no damage. No damage, no damage. Alright, let's go into the base. And let's see how much. Now, this is a glitch that Kickstarter's giving. Even though it's instant free repair, it's still saying 6 gold. Don't click it. Don't click it. Start your repair normally, go into your and see 2.5 minutes. So it's instant repair. Kickstarter wants to cheat you out of your gold. Don't let them. But anyway, that's it, gentlemen. And as you can see, Komodo's running almost 9 million by doing that. So go for it, have fun with it, and hopefully you can do good. You still have 3 days, so yeah, have fun.